That deals, of course, with the model builder kinds of workflows, but other kinds of workflows, other kinds of geoprocessing analysis, data models. There's been discussion of the ARC Marine data model. So if you have interest in that, that is the place, again, to renew those discussions. Data distribution, especially from servers, services. Those of you who are thinking about the ArcGIS Online way of serving out your data as map services, map packages, data sets, tools, and so forth. So these are the topics. And in terms of the assignments, the multi-D data formats people will be here in the auditorium. The data acquisition people will be in briefing room D. The 3D, 4D people will be upstairs on the 3rd floor, and Belinda will guide you again to the upstairs, the 3rd floor room. Analytic tools will be in briefing room B, and data distribution will also be here in the auditorium on the side. So again, my suggestion is to choose a leader within your group. So choose among you who's going to lead that group. Also choose among you or have someone volunteer to be a recorder to take notes. Remember to do your PMI technique. So we're doing the same technique as yesterday, the pluses, minuses, and interesting. And we're going to do the same reporting back. So we would like for you to prioritize within your groups the top 5 Ps, the top 5 Ms, and to also highlight for us your Is. I think we've decided on a good technique in terms of reporting back, where if you could summarize your top 5 Ps and Ms and Is on a clean sheet of flip chart paper, we will have an easel up here that you can stick your paper to, and then we will also entrain the camera on the easel so that everybody can see that clearly. So your breakout group leader can do that reporting back, or you can have more than one person, as we saw with the geologists and geophysicists. So leader, breakout group note recorder, be sure to prioritize your top 5. In terms of keeping your energy flows going, use this time now to combine your coffee and break. Those of you who are not in the auditorium, you can take food and drink with you to the conference rooms. Those of you who are in the auditorium, unfortunately, we're not allowed to have libations in here. So you'll want to do your drinking and fueling before you come into the auditorium for your breakout group. In terms of timing, you're in your breakout groups until noon. And then at noon, you'll get a lunch break, so you'll go to the cafe to have lunch from noon to 1 o'clock. And then we'll all convene back here at 1 o'clock so that we can hear the reports from the breakout groups to keep that momentum going. As you are having lunch, I'm sure that you'll continue to have discussions from your breakout groups, so you may want to have lunch with your breakout group partners. You don't have to, but that may be helpful to you so that you keep that momentum, those discussions going, and then you come back from lunch ready to report back. And we're having you report back right at 1 o'clock so that you will not fall asleep, because we know how dangerous that is on the second day of a conference after lunch. Very hard, but you will be hopefully engaged and energized and ready to go. So are there any questions about the procedures? Okay, so you want to double check on your numbers, get in your groups, and we really look forward to the discussions in these groups today.